Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit your Christmas door bow. In your box you'll find 2 pieces of fabric, some ribbon, 2 safety pins, some cable ties and your bow. So you're going to want to start by draping the fabric, the longer piece of fabric that is, over the door and popping it underneath there. Then grab the 2 ends and get it to where you'll want the position of your door bow to be, and then centre the 2 pieces. Then your next job is to take a cable tie around both pieces of fabric. Do this just loosely to start with, just so you can tighten the 2 bits of fabric, and then go ahead and tighten that cable tie fully. And then take a pair of scissors and snip off the excess. The next job is to take the shorter piece of fabric. Again, feed it around the door widthways, and then again find the position where the bow is going to sit. Grab both pieces and find the centre point of them. Remember, when you're doing the fabric widthways, not to cover the locking mechanisms. And then, just like we did with the long piece, take a cable tie round the 2 pieces and just do it loosely to start with. Tighten both pieces of fabric, and then go ahead and tighten your cable tie fully. You're then going to want to take your pre-made bow and you're going to attach it to the vertical piece of fabric using the ribbon ties attached to it. And tie it in a good knot or a good bow. And then don't worry if your bow looks a little bit droopy, we're going to secure it in a second. Right, so this bit can be a little bit fiddly. You want to locate the fabric just behind the front satin bow, and then go through all of the organza back bow and through the horizontal bits. And go through and then secure your pin. You then want to go inside and cinch together both pieces of fabric. This can be quite tricky because it might be a little bit tight. And then take the piece of pre-cut ribbon and then tie it around those 2 pieces and tighten it. It can get quite tight, and then finish it off in a nice bow. You might not need to do this step, but if either of your bits of fabric have shifted, maybe when you've been putting the cable ties on, take a good sharp pair of scissors and trim so that they're both the same length. If you have had to trim your bow tails, then take a lighter and singe all the way across to stop it from fraying. Finally, you want to do some last minute plumping of your bow, and there we go, done. There's your Christmas door bow fitted. If you've got any problems, just find us on Facebook or Instagram and drop us a message and we'll be happy to help.